Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
All right, welcome back to Life in Millway, and we have our tiny little haul from the weekend. So, I have a little boy right there that's not very happy with Mommy and Daddy right now. You tell them. Say, can you believe it? My Mommy and Daddy didn't buy me anything.
Nope.
See, I've looked all over this table and there's nothing for me.
Yeah, not the pot.
Except that, well, he likes the bottles, so he's like,
Yeah.
well, can't I have a bottle? All right.
Dollarama.
Dollarama, yes. So, this is a little gift that is going to two little guys in Ontario.
So the small ones were $1.50 a piece.
Yeah.
And the bigger ones were $4, and the lollipops were 63 cents.
Okay.
So $13.78.
We got this little picture that they can paint and hang up. We got them each the same because they're brothers, and you know, you don't know.
Yeah.
So we got that. And then this was something that their mommy had told me that they would love.
Yeah.
So we got.
It's not exactly. I think she mentioned.
I think it was a gator or something,
gator,
but
yeah.
Yeah. So, and then they each get a lollipop. So those of you coming in the mail, you know who you are.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. And then we went to the Morden Dollar Store Plus More.
Yeah. It's not a very big store.
No,
We've never
it's
been
not.
there, but
No.
But I got a few things that can't get it, like
So that was
Dollar Tree
$1.50.
There's 2 sheets, I think.
Yeah. You got 2 of them the same.
Yes, I did.
Yeah. They were $1.50 a piece.
Because I just really like the images, and so.
And then you got these little papers. They were $2.25 a piece.
Yeah, so there's.
Yeah.
They're so cute. And there's this one. Yeah, this one's a Christmas one. It's an old pad, but it's cute.
Yeah.
Okay, and then fishies. Oh! Baby shark.
Oh, don't start. Oh.
All right.
Okay. Some antique floral tags. $1.75. Some kind of gel stain.
Wish we would have had that
$2.75
when we did our cabinet, because we wouldn't have had to put all that money out.
$2.75. Yeah. Well.
There's 3 different ones here.
Oh yeah.
Because I got the walnut, the maple, and the oak.
Yeah. These little trees and stuff. They're $2.75.
Doggies and fish.
Yeah. Little keychain. I don't know how much you paid for that.
I don't remember.
Some Mentos.
Strawberry mint.
Oh, wonderful. Another tool. Anyways.
Rotary cutter.
I can say that because it's not mine. Some wood things, $1.50.
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. More dinosaurs, I think.
No, those are birds and unicorns, I think.
Oh. Well, there's a picture of a dinosaur on it. Oh, it's the same dinosaur in each one. And then some doggies.
Yeah.
Roof roofs. That was $43.40 for there.
Yeah.
And then we went to the can't say El Wa because Wa is French. El Roy Mexican Imports.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So we'll show you.
Mexican store run by the Mennonites.
Yes. Well, there's a lot of Mennonites in
there
Mexico.
is. I just think it's ironic. It's a Mexican store run by the Mennonites.
So we'll show you what we got, and then on another video.
Yeah.
Okay, on another video we'll do a taste test.
Yeah, I will read out what they are. You pick them up. So the Moroccan chicken, $1.49. And then the
So this one's lime flavor with shrimp.
Yeah.
Never seen that before.
See, so you didn't listen, Linda.
Okay.
Moroccan chicken.
Yeah.
That was $1.49.
Yeah.
The Moroccan lime shrimp was $1.19.
Oh, okay.
See, my wife doesn't listen.
You're right. Now this chicken tortilla says hot and spicy. So I'm hoping it's not unbearable, but I'm going to try it.
The Malvabon's Zarzamora, $3.99.
So they looks like they got it's chocolate with something and black cherry.
Yeah.
So we will give those a try.
Rancheretta Bayous. Whatever they were, they're $1.89.
These.
There you go.
So it's just a smaller can. I thought it might be better for us.
Is it refried beans?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Donde Biche Shot Chiato.
What?
$2.59. I don't know. Those things.
Oh. So
You say the name.
I don't know.
Bizchot Chiatos.
I don't know.
$2.59.
Whatever they are, they're some sort of cracker.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try those.
Holy crap. Sabrita Fiesta Mix. $4.99 for that freaking bag.
I know. Oh, that one. Okay. So we're gonna give this a try. All different. It's like a party mix, Mexican style.
Yeah.
All right.
The Burritos Pina.
Now I know I won't get Kevin to try
$4.49.
these,
Nope. Pineapple.
but I am dying to try them.
Okay, Doritos. Pizzerola.
Yeah, I've never seen these before.
Well, because we don't get them here, Kelly.
Nope.
They're from the States.
So we're gonna try those.
$1.89.
All right.
Oh my lord. If I had known they were that much, I wouldn't have bought those. That's ridiculous. Kelly, they were $3.99.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you choke on them.
Fritos. Looks like chili and
Frito,
lime.
chili, and lime. $3.99.
Yep.
Now, these, though, these are actually from Mexico.
Yeah.
Because it is all in Mexican.
Spanish.
Well, whatever. Spanish, Mexican. Oh, they're not for you, buddy.
Oh, boy.
Not for you. Grand total there, $3.41.
$3.41?
Did I say $3.41? $30.41. See, you got me so upset over the prices.
All right.
No, that's because they're like the stuff that's really expensive. The stuff I think comes right from.
That's actually imported.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Although they have both Spanish and English on these. But yeah. Says $2.99 only.
In Mexico.
What a ripoff.
And then
Hey?
we got our pop stash.
Yeah, so I ended up getting, because last weekend.
Mm-hmm, because you had to get the
Or
Coke
weekend
Zero.
before. Maybe it was last weekend I got the Coke Zero because everybody was out of even Diet Pepsi. Like none of the shoppers, so obviously they didn't get a shipment. But I had gone into Shoppers this week and I checked and noticed. So I told Kelly, I said, we've got to go Saturday.
Early in the morning.
Yeah, so I picked, I got 4. So we probably won't actually have to get any next weekend because there's still the Coke Zero down there and then all that.
So, all right.
Yeah.
So that's our haul. So,
I'm ready for that.
So,
Oh man.
be ready for a taste test with all these foods eventually in the next little while. All right. We will see you on the next video.
Bye.
Welcome back to Life of Millwife, and we have an unboxing.
Now, we'll apologize because you'll have actually seen one of these meals already cooked on my Thursday cooking show. So
Yeah.
it's actually Wednesday of the previous week. And we're doing this video for the Tuesday. So anyways.
Yep.
So, Chef's Plate.
So this is the third meal company that we've tried, so we wanted to.
Well, sorta. I found out Chef Plate is associated with HelloFresh.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's yeah.
So,
So what kind of deal did you get on this one?
oh, so not did I just get 1 week, I got 2 weeks at 50% off. So between the 2 weeks, 6 meals for 2 people was $79, I think, something like
So
that.
that's-
Buddy, hey, no, you're up here with us, but it's not.
Okay. You want your 5 minutes? Here, bro. Say hi to everybody. I know you think that the mail is for you always. Let me read that, Daddy. Here, let me give you some directions, Daddy. I'll show you.
Okay. So, in no particular order, the first one is beef chili con carne bowls.
Looks yummy.
Yeah. I like that they do these nice recipe cards when they send it. The next one is curry pork burgers.
Looks yummy.
Yeah. It's oh yeah, I'm trying to remember what those are. Anyways, and then honey chipotle chicken tenders. They sound.
Look at that.
Yeah.
And it's on roasted cauliflower.
Yeah. Okay. What else can we get? Welcome home, chef. So we get the 3 bags. Oh, that's different. Comes in this.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's more of a bag than it is keep everything full. So that's just the lean ground pork. Oh, they put cheeses and carrots and stuff in there. Normally they put those kind of stuff in the bags.
Chicken.
Your chicken. I don't know. Feta, sour cream. So they put it all in with the
Nice.
yeah, and then more lean ground beef. And then those are just the ice packs.
That is really neat that it's not just the ice packs, it's in a bag.
Yeah.
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 So you just
Here.
wow.
Yeah. It's just
That is really neat.
yeah.
And it zips right back up.
Yeah.
Huh. All
Okay.
right. I'll show you now.
So
Why don't you sit down now?
I can't. Okay. So this one.
Well,
is,
just open the one that we're gonna do tonight. Or do you want to open them all and show them?
No, we'll just open one.
Yeah.
How about the beef chili?
You decide what you're cooking.
Well, yeah, you know what? We're gonna do the beef chili tonight.
Okay. So like I said, you'll already have seen us eat this.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
All right. Ooh, some fresh.
Oh, and you're doing a 6-week series, right?
Yeah, so we got 3 meals this week, 3 meals next week, but they'll be cooked.
Yeah.
Buddy.
You'll be doing a 6-week series. My goodness, dude.
Some black beans.
Yum.
I don't have my glasses on.
This is chili cumin spice blend.
Okay, and that's crushed tomatoes, rice.
Oh, that's weird. Crushed
Lime.
tomatoes in a packet like that.
Lime, tomato sauce base, beef, I think that's beef bouillon,
Yeah.
and a pepper.
Cool.
So that is everything. Well, and then there was some, I gotta put my glasses on because I need to read. Oh. Okay, so we got the ground beef. I just want to throw everything that belongs. The onions, the lime, beef stock reduction, crushed tomatoes, sour cream, feta cheese. I don't know why they just didn't put it all in the, you know, the rice, the chili the chili spice blend, the tomato sauce base. So far, well, that's all the ingredients, but there's always extra stuff that you need.
Probably oil or something like that.
Cooking tools like measuring cups, grater, tester, measuring spoons, medium pot, small bowl, large pot, pantry items, cooking oil, salt and pepper.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
that's pretty well standard, I think, in most of them. So that's
All right.
that's it. Yeah, that's I know, buddy, but it's. Can I have that? Can I have this? Alrighty.
So stay tuned for the next 6 weeks and see what we cook. Well, not what we cook.
Yeah.
What Kevin cooks.
I can't remember what I ordered for next week. That'll come next Wednesday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, all right. Hope everybody has a great day, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.